In the digital age, open source software is the backbone of countless technologies we rely on daily. From operating systems like Linux to development tools like Node.js and Kubernetes, open source projects power the internet and drive innovation across industries.
However, there's a common misconception that open source means free of charge. This misunderstanding needs to be addressed. The reality is, while the code is freely available, the process of creating and maintaining open source software is anything but free.
Open source software requires time, expertise, and dedication. Developers spend countless hours writing code, fixing bugs, and responding to user issues. This time is valuable and often comes at a personal or professional cost.
Additionally, open source projects incur infrastructure costs, such as hosting, continuous integration, and bandwidth. These expenses are often covered out of pocket by the developers themselves.
By working on open source projects, developers forego paid opportunities elsewhere. This opportunity cost is significant and highlights the importance of compensating open source authors fairly.
Managing a popular open source project can be stressful, with maintainers facing constant demands from the community. Without financial support, this can lead to burnout, putting the project at risk.
Paying open source authors ensures the sustainability of the software you rely on. It enables developers to dedicate more time to their projects, leading to higher quality, more frequent updates, and continued innovation.
Just like any other profession, software development deserves fair compensation. By paying open source authors, you acknowledge the value of their work and contribute to a more equitable technology ecosystem.
Financially supporting open source projects helps grow the community around them. More resources mean more contributors, better documentation, and a stronger, more vibrant community.
If you or your business benefit from open source software, it's only fair to give back. Supporting open source authors is an ethical way to ensure the tools you rely on continue to thrive. So how can you support open source authors? Here are a few ways.
Consider making donations or becoming a sponsor on platforms like GitHub Sponsors, Open Collective, or Patreon. Even small contributions can make a big difference.
Many open source projects offer paid support, consulting, or custom development services. Opting for these options not only gets you expert help, but also supports the project.
If your business relies on open source software, consider corporate sponsorship. This significant contribution helps maintain critical software infrastructure.
If you can't contribute financially, promote the project within your network. Advocate for its use and encourage others to support it. Awareness can lead to more contributions from those who can afford to give.
Open source software is a cornerstone of the modern digital world. By supporting open source authors, we ensure that the software we depend on continues to thrive and evolve. Let's work together to build a more sustainable, fair, and innovative open source community.
Your contribution matters. Support open source today.